Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to blur face in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this to create or open a new project. So you can choose any of your photos which you want to blur. Tap on any one of your photo. So you have entered this editing platform. Now here on the bottom, you can see this tools icon. Tap on tools. And now select selection. So select this area of the face by tapping and dragging it. So yes, it has been selected. Now here on the top, as you can see, there's the effects option. Tap on effects. Now as you can see, there's a blur option, and tap on blur, and now tap this blur option. So as you can see, the image has been blurred. At last, tap on the stick button again, and now we are done. So the image has been blurred. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.